Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. So I have had tons of requests to review this TV right here on the channel. A huge thanks to Hisense for sending this out. This is the new Hisense U8K Mini LED ULED 4K TV. Now don't be fooled by the name. Just because this is the U8K, that's just the model number. It doesn't mean this is an 8K TV. This is actually a 4K TV. Coming with mini LED with high view local dimming. We got peak brightness of 1500. It's got a game mode pro, up to 144 hertz of smoothness when gaming on this TV right here. You already know I'm gonna be doing a full separate video just specifically gaming on this TV to check out that gaming mode and see just how well this TV performs when gaming. Got quantum dot color, a 2-year warranty, and this TV is going for around 1100 bucks right now on Amazon. I have a link down in the description below in case you do want to check one out for yourself. But yeah, this is the 65-inch model. Pretty big right here next to me, but let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I'll be giving you my first impressions on this TV right here. Do this thing. Okay, now I believe this just lifts up like this. All right, here we go, trying to be extra careful. Oh. And here is the TV. It's a little hard doing that by yourself, but I got it off. It looks like we got some nice wrapping around the TV to keep it nice and safe and protected. So I can just bring the wrapping down like this. Okay, so I may have done this a little bit backwards. What you want to do is open up the top first, because I believe that's where the remote and all the manuals are and stuff. Yep, and I was correct. So over here to my left, looks like we have a leg. Let me go ahead and throw that over there to the side for now. We got a bag right here with the remote, power cable, batteries. Looks like we got a little safety information manual over there. Go to the side for now. And it looks like we also have another leg right here. All right, so I got the TV legs out, as you can see here, ready to mount them on the TV. It even comes with some screws here. You just gotta make sure you have a screwdriver for yourself to be able to mount these on. But before I do so, kind of want to show you guys something here. So it gives us two options on where to put each leg on each side of the TV. You got one that's more on the outside and then one that's more on the inside. And I think that's a pretty cool option because it allows you to get this TV to better fit on your TV stand, whether you got a longer TV stand or maybe a shorter TV stand. So nice that we have two options there. So I'm actually gonna go wide with this one because I personally just think that it might look a little bit nicer with the legs further out rather than closer in to the middle. In my opinion, it might just look a little bit better. All right, so I've got the TV plugged in, ready to set up, but look at this. It's got a screen protector on it to keep it nice and protected while it's in the box. And we can simply just tear it off just like that. Whew, how satisfying is that? Okay, so while the TV is setting itself up, let's take a quick look at the back here. It's actually got a nice clean look to it. And if you go straight to the middle of the back of this TV, as you can see, we got a built-in subwoofer. So really curious to see how that's going to perform on this TV. If it's going to give us a good amount of bass when watching movies or even listening to music. And then if we go over to the left side, as you can see there, we got the insert for the power adapter. And up here, it looks like we got a side firing speaker. I'm really not sure what that is, to be honest, but that's what it looks like to me, or it might even be used for a cooling system. We got the grills up top, which I'm assuming is for the speakers as well. And then we come over to the right side. As you can see, we have some inserts right here, an LE in input, digital audio out, a USB 2. So we actually got two USB connections. If I come even more over here, we got one right there. We got 4 HDMI inputs, 2 at 4K 60 frames per second, and the other 2 are at 4K 144 hertz. So we got 260 hertz, 144 hertz for all of you gamers out there. We also got a cable connection. We have an AV in and a headphone jack as well. And that is what the back of the TV looks like. Pretty nice, clean look here. All right, so the TV's set up and ready to go, as you can see here, and it did take about 10 minutes and 55 seconds to set up. So almost 11 minutes to set this TV up. Of course, we are greeted with this Google interface because this is a Google TV, which also supports Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos. It is IMAX enhanced. We have a filmmaker mode as well, and it also supports Wi-Fi 6E that is enabled on this TV. And so far, I mean, it's feeling really, really smooth, but then again, it is a brand new TV. So over time, I mean, the smoothness might go away. I'm not really sure, but it is super, super smooth. There is no latency at all with this. But again, this is the Google interface that you get with the TV. It's giving me some recommendations, showing me my apps, asking me what I feel like watching, popular movies and TV shows, superhero shows, just giving me lists, action movies. If you like Secret Invasion, you might like these right here, adventure movies. The list kind of goes on and on. And if we go up to the top, it's what you can expect from, you know, a Google TV like this. We got your For You page. You have a live TV page, so we do have free live TV with this as well. If you go up, you have your apps where you can download apps, search for apps, maybe even some games, and we have a library. You have your search mode. Now this does come with the Google Assistant as well. And then you have your settings mode. Again, if you're familiar with Google TV, all of this is going to look familiar to you. You got your screensavers, picture settings, accessibility, Wi-Fi, inputs. I want to check out the picture settings. Let's see. If we go to general picture mode, so it looks like we have a vivid mode, standard, energy saving. We have that gaming mode, which will automatically come into effect when playing games, a sports mode, theater day, theater night, filmmaker mode. Let's go ahead and go on that. All picture settings, select whether the parameters of the current picture mode are applied to all sources or only to the current source. Got an intelligent scene, automatic light sensor. Let's go ahead and go into, let's see, I want to go into YouTube. Let's look up some vibrant video. Okay, so I'm on a YouTube video right now looking at some vibrant video just to check out the colors on this TV right here. So far, looking really good. We do have an option to change the local dimming mode, so we can switch it to low, we can switch it to medium, or we can even switch it to high. Now, let's see, if I put it on low, medium, I'll keep it on medium for now. Of course, you can switch up the brightness. Let's see how bright this TV gets. Oh, okay, that's actually looking pretty bright. Not bad at all. Active contrast, low light blue. Okay, let's go back and let's go to general again. Let's go to picture mode. So it looks like it's on energy saving mode. Let's see what standard looks like. Okay, let's see what sports looks like. All right, what about theater night? Okay, that kind of dims it down a bit. Filmmaker mode. All right, let's try vivid. Did we try vivid yet? Okay, that's vivid. So let's go ahead, let's keep it on standard for now. If I go back here, look at the colors on this TV. They actually pop pretty good. Colors not looking too bad. Let me go and fast forward this a little bit. Let's get some other colors in here. Look at that. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As you can see, we got some blacks up towards the top. Blacks aren't looking too bad. Now keep in mind, this is a QLED TV. They do call it a ULED TV, but it's actually a QLED TV. ULED is just a thing from Hisense. But look at these colors, looking really, really good on this TV right here. All right, so just checking out a little bit of a movie here. I don't want to get copyright strike, but if I press the menu button on the remote itself, we can actually change picture modes straight from here, which I just learned. As you can see, we can go through all of the picture modes here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on filmmaker mode. And it also gives us options for sound. As you can see, Dolby Atmos is turned on, the subwoofer is turned on. I do got that bass boost on up to 4. And then you can choose between different sound modes as well. Standard, theater, sports, music, speech, late night, and intelligent sound. But this theater sound is actually sounding pretty good. All right, so now we're checking out the new SpiderMan trailer, the new video game right here. Oh my goodness, this looks really good on this TV right here. I wanna check out the sound. So that's at level 25 right there. Sound is sounding pretty good so far. That looks good. All right. I gotta stop it. Okay, so it looks like Hisense is actually doing some pretty good things over here with the U8K series right here. For 1,100 bucks, I mean, you can't really go wrong. Just based off of my first impressions with this TV right here, I'm pretty impressed for 1,100 bucks. Even with the remote itself, it's got a nice look to it, very lightweight. But again, this is not a full review with this TV. It was just supposed to be a quick unboxing and just give you my first impressions of it so far. I think picture quality is looking good. Sound quality is looking good. Overall build quality, not bad for 1,100 bucks. And I'll have a link down in the description below in case you do want to jump the gun and just get one for yourself and check it out. But I will have a full review coming as well as a gaming review with this TV right here. But if there's anything that you want me to cover in that full review, just let me know down in the comment sections below. Whatever you guys want to know about this TV, and I will do my best to get to it all in that full review video. But again, the Hisense U8K 4K mini LED TV. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you're not missing out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.